Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Picana Smile. Today we are going to be making butter chicken. For the ingredients, we are going to be using 28 ounces of boneless chicken, half a cup of plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. In a bowl, we are going to combine all the ingredients with the chicken and mix everything in well together and let it marinate for an hour or overnight.
One hour later.
Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or pot over medium to high heat. When it's sizzling, add chicken pieces in batches of 2 or 3, making sure not to crowd the pan. Fry until brown for only 3 minutes on each side. Set the chicken aside and keep it warm. We are going to finish cooking the chicken in the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter on 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the same pan. Fry the onions until they start to sweat for about 6 minutes while scraping up any brown bits stuck on the bottom of the pan. Add 2 large tomatoes and cook for 5 minutes. Then we're going to add in minced garlic and minced ginger and add 1 tablespoon of water and simmer for 20 seconds. Stirring occasionally until the sauce thickens. Add 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. You can adjust it to your taste preference. 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, 1.25 teaspoons of salt or to taste, and add 1 cup of water and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until fragrant while stirring occasionally. We are going to remove the sauce from the heat, scoop the mixture into a blender and blend until smooth. You can work in batches depending on the size of your blender. We are going to pour back the sauce into the pan and stir in 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 tablespoon of sugar into the sauce and stir for 5 seconds. Then we are going to add in the chicken with the juices back into the pan and cook for an additional 8 to 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through and the sauce is thick and bubbling.
A few moments later.
Garnish with chopped cilantro and serve with fresh coconut rice. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.